Welcome aboard Slip Sailin. I'm Heather, and this is the story of how a rare 1987 Chris-Craft Yacht Home traveled hundreds of miles to begin its second life. Slip Sailin actually began life on beautiful Lake Powell. After changing owners, she eventually made her way to Lake Pleasant, where I discovered her listed for sale on Boat Trader. Because the boat was more than 350 miles away, I hired an accredited marine surveyor to perform a complete inspection. After reviewing the report, I purchased her completely sight unseen. Next came the biggest challenge, moving a 45-foot yacht over land from Arizona to Southern California. The flybridge had to be carefully removed so the boat could safely fit beneath highway overpasses. Once she arrived in Long Beach, Slip Sailin spent about a week in the shipyard receiving fresh bottom paint before the flybridge was carefully reassembled. This was my first time to meet her. It was love at first sight. With everything back together, she was finally launched into the Pacific and made her way over to Shoreline Marina. Here's something that makes this boat incredibly special. Chris-Craft purchased Uniflight in 1984 for $10 a share, inheriting one of the most unusual designs ever built, a true motor yacht with the spacious living accommodations of a houseboat. The Yacht Home was only produced under the Chris-Craft name for 3 model years, from 1985 through 1987. Even more interesting, Slip Sailin still carries a genuine Uniflight hull number, making her one of the final 1987 450 yacht homes ever produced. Over the coming months, I'll be documenting every restoration, repair, upgrade, and adventure aboard this rare floating home. If you enjoy classic boats, DIY projects, and bringing forgotten treasures back to life, you're in the right place. Be sure to like this video and follow my channel.